I don't know.
It's okay. We'll be fine.
I'm going to turn and walk away. You wait till I am far along, then run and come and catch my arm and say you'd die if I were gone. 'Cause I want to hear you call my name. It's too easy just to say it soft. I don't like my language watered down. I don't like my rounded up. I can't always wait for your circumstance to improve. You know, love is loose, it shifts each time you move. Go ahead, put my back against the wall. Give it all up, or don't give it to me yet. You know, you never know, this could be our last night. So step back into the light so I can see your silhouette. You know, I'm not done looking yet. I can't breathe. I'm too tired.
It's okay. You'll just practice it. Am I still recording?
No.
We're going places with this one.